Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Anchor protocol using Bittrex step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Bittrex account set up and verified. Log into your Bittrex account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. Search for Anchor protocol in the list of cryptocurrencies. Click on the Anchor protocol wallet to open it. Check your available balance to confirm that you have sufficient funds to transfer. Now, locate the Withdraw button, usually found in the upper right corner of the wallet interface. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer process. In the withdrawal page, enter the amount of Anchor protocol you wish to transfer. Next, you will need to input the destination wallet address. Ensure you have copied the correct wallet address where you want to send the Anchor protocol. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any mistakes. Choose the network type if prompted, making sure it matches the requirements of the destination wallet. After entering all the necessary details, review the transaction for accuracy. Look for any applicable withdrawal fees associated with the transfer. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may be prompted to complete additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Complete any required steps to finalize the withdrawal. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of your withdrawal request. Monitor the status of the transaction in your Bittrex account. Once the transaction is processed, you will see the update in your wallet balance. Finally, check the destination wallet to confirm that the funds have arrived successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.